నాకు డబ్బులు ఇచ్చి వాళ్ళు
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What can you see on the screen? What is visible to you on the screen?
Expressing obligation.
Yeah. From now onwards, we have to revise. Have we revised obligations? No.
No, sir.
From now onwards, we have to revise all the lessons, as all the lessons were already over. When are your exams?
August 9th, sir.
August 9th. That means less than a month. 27, 28 days. How many attended chemistry class?
Chemistry class was not there, sir.
Why? Yesterday also it was not there. Was it not supposed to be chemistry class before English yesterday and today? Yeah, do you remember the timetable? Yesterday and today, I think chemistry has to be the first period.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But madam not there.
Did madam say anything about class?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Any information about not having class?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Have you given attendance?
Yes, sir.
Class. Yeah. This is not about the last class. Yeah, what is meant by obligation? Let us quickly go through this. Question paper is very simple. All the topics are very simple. But when you do not work, you will definitely make mistakes. You might have understood by now by attending first semester's exam, right? It appears very simple, but it is not that simple. Everybody thinks that getting through English is very easy, but it is not that easy if you do not work hard. It is easy to score marks if you work hard, but if you don't work hard, it is easy to fail. Yeah, what is obligation? See, obligation is something that you must do because of law, promise, or because it is morally right. So we have to be quick, we have to be fast because this is just revision. Every day you must come after reading 2 or 3 lessons. Okay. Notes I have given and you can watch videos on YouTube. I have uploaded videos and shared the links also with you. So please watch 2 to 3 videos every day. Read notes I have given for through 2 or 3 lessons every day and come to class. Only then it becomes easy for you and me to revise. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Obligation is something that you must do because of law, rule, promise, or because it is morally right. You know that obligation is expressed in 3 ways: must, should, and have to. These are the 3 expressions. Just the entire lesson consists of only these 3 expressions. I hope all of you remember. Must in ఎప్పుడు వాడతాము? Choice లేదు. It is a rule. It is a law. You have no choice at all. అట్లాంటప్పుడు must వాడతాం. You must come అంటే తప్పకుండా రావాలి అంతే, అది రూలు, దానికి ఇంకొక చాయిస్ అనేది లేదు. There is no choice. You must attend your exams from 9th August. You will not be conducted any supplementary exam అన్నాం అనుకో. Is there a choice? There is no choice. Okay? That
No,
is
sir.
should. There is a choice. It is a suggestion. నువ్వు చేస్తావా చేయవా అది అనేది నీ ఇష్టం. ఓకే, షుడ్ అని వాడినప్పుడు యూ షుడ్ రైట్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 9th August. అంటే రాస్తే రాయి, లేకపోతే రాయి, రాయకపోతే సప్లిమెంటరీ రాసుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది, ఆ తర్వాత రాసుకోకపోతే మళ్ళీ రాసుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది. అది దట్ ఈస్ షుడ్. యూ షుడ్ అనేది ఓన్లీ సజెషన్ ఇవ్వడానికి మాత్రం వాడతాము. ఇట్ ఈస్ బెటర్ టు డూ, దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ షుడ్. ఓకే, హ్యావ్ టు, external application. I may not like it. Even if you don't like it, you have to do it. That is have to. You use have to when you are not interested in it. Usually, when you are not interested in doing it, you use have to. I have to write my exams from Monday. I am not interested in writing, but I have to write. Not interested అని చెప్తున్నట్టు ఇక్కడ have to అంటే external obligation ఉన్నది. I have to attend an English exam tomorrow. Otherwise, our sir will punish us. So I have to. I am not interested, but I have to. So that is the difference between must, should, and have to. Any doubt? Please tell me. If you have no doubt, no doubt. Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, please
No,
tell
sir.
me. Yeah. You have to tell me. Please respond. If you have any doubt, you tell me. Had to. I have added another expression. Had to. Had to అంటే ఏం కావచ్చు? Have కు past tense had కదా, అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
I have to అంటే నేను చేయాలి, తప్పదు, నాకు ఇష్టం లేకపోయినా చేయాలి. I had to, నాకు ఇష్టం లేకపోయినా చేయవలసి వచ్చింది. Had to. That is the meaning of had to. Have to past tense had to. Okay. I had to go to college on Saturday. I had to go to college on Friday to get my social welfare, what is it called? Scholarship application forwarded. I had to go. I was not interested in going to college, but I had to go to get the signatures of the head of section and the principal. నాకు పోవాల్సిన ఇష్టం లేదు, ఎందుకంటే క్లాసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. I did not want to miss the classes on Friday, but I had to go to college. Okay. Now just read the dialogue, all of you, quickly, very quickly.
Patient. Is there anything serious wrong, doctor? Doctor, nothing serious.
Yeah, read aloud.
Nothing serious, but you must lose weight. Patient. I am observed. Doctor. Yes.
Am I obese? Am I obese?
Am I obese? Doctor. Yes, you are overweight. You should avoid oil foods. Patient. Is there anything else I need to be careful about? Doctor. Yes, you have to walk 5 kilometers every day and you must avoid eating sweets.
So మీకు ఇట్లా కూడా అడగొచ్చు క్వశ్చన్, ఇంతవరకు అడగలేదు, బట్ it also may be asked. Write a dialogue between a patient and a doctor in which you have to use at least 3 expressions of obligations అన్నాడు అనుకోండి. అర్థమైందా? Write a dialogue between a patient and a doctor in which there are at least 3 expressions of obligation. Expressions of obligation must to, should to, have to, or had to. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ యూ మస్ట్ లూజ్ వెయిట్ అంటే ఇక నీకు చాయిస్ లేదు, ఖచ్చితంగా వెయిట్ తగ్గాల్సిందే. యూ షుడ్ అవాయిడ్ ఆయిలీ ఫుడ్స్, ఆయిలీ ఫుడ్స్ అవాయిడ్ చేస్తే మంచిది, చేయకపోవడం చేయడం నీ ఇష్టం. యూ హ్యావ్ టు వాక్, నీకు ఇష్టం ఉన్నా ఇష్టం లేకపోయినా రోజుకి 5 కిలోమీటర్లు నడవాలి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ దిస్ డైలాగ్. He must take care of his health, he should take care of his health, he has to take care of his health. Please, somebody explain these 3 sentences. Somebody explain these 3 sentences. Yes, quickly.
He must take care of his health. Means there is no choice. Compulsory have to take care of his health.
Right, very good. He should take care of his health.
Means there is a choice. If he want a good health, he should take a health care.
Right.
Otherwise, he may leave.
Very good, right. He has to.
Compulsory have to do it.
But he doesn't like it.
Yes, sir.
Though he doesn't like it, he has to take care of his health.
Take care.
Avuna? Then he had
Yes,
to
sir.
take care of his health.
He already took
He
care
has
of his
taken
health
care.
without it.
Yes.
Started taking care.
No, no. Can somebody explain that in Telugu?
తను ఆల్రెడీ తన గురించి కేర్ తీసుకున్నాడు కానీ తన ఇష్టం లేకుండా.
తన ఇష్టం లేకుండా తను ఆరోగ్యం గురించి జాగ్రత్త తీసుకోవాల్సి వచ్చింది.
ఓకే సార్.
Right, very good.
ఓకే సార్.
Come on. You must wear a helmet. There is no choice. You mustn't drive
Yes.
two-wheeler. There is no choice. ఇక్కడ కూడా mustn't drive two-wheeler without a helmet. Helmet లేకుండా డ్రైవ్ చేయొద్దు. సేమ్ సెంటెన్స్ ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ గా చెప్పినాం, ఇక్కడ నెగటివ్ యూజ్ చేసినాం. You must not drive two-wheeler without a helmet. You must wear a helmet while driving a two-wheeler. I have to wear a helmet. I don't like wearing a helmet, but I have to wear a helmet. We should help the poor. We should help the old people. We should help the physically challenged. చేస్తే మంచిది, చేయడం చేయకపోవడం నీ సభ్యత సంస్కారం, నీ మేనర్స్ మీద లేకపోతే నీ బ్రాటప్ మీద ఆధారపడి ఉంటుంది. యూ షుడ్ హెల్ప్ ద పూర్. యు మస్ట్ హెల్ప్ ద ఓల్డ్ పీపుల్ అనేది ఎక్కడ లేదు. యు మస్ట్ హెల్ప్ ఓల్డ్ పీపుల్ అనేది రూల్ లేదు. We don't have any such rule, but you should help old people. Old people కి హెల్ప్ చేస్తే మంచిది. Yeah, now use should and have to and must wherever necessary. Use the proper expression of obligation. Quickly read the sentences and use proper expression of obligation.
I really need to get a haircut. I should really need to get a haircut, sir.
No, you need not write the entire
I
sentence.
must, I think, sir.
Ah.
I must need to get a haircut.
I must get a haircut. మళ్ళా need ఉండదు.
Okay, sir.
I must get a haircut. I really need to get a haircut అంటే ఖచ్చితంగా నేను కటింగ్ చేయించుకోవాలి. I must get a haircut.
Haircut.
Ah.
I recommend. I strongly recommend you watch this movie. You should watch this movie.
Right, correct, very good. You should watch this movie అని రాస్తే సరిపోతుంది. Again, you need not write this entire sentence. You should watch this movie. Very good. Third,
You should not work too hard.
right. You should not work too hard. అక్కడ చాయిస్ ఉంది, నీ ఇష్టం. ఎక్కువ కష్టపడి పని చేయొద్దు, అనవసరంగా ఆరోగ్యం పాడు చేసుకుంటావు. Right, here also should is suitable. Next, fourth one.
It is important to wear a helmet when you ride a bike. You must wear a helmet when you ride a bike.
Right, correct. Fifth,
Speak only in English in the classroom every day. You should speak in the classroom. You should speak only in English in the classroom.
Yeah, you should speak in English in the classroom. You should speak.
Finish your work.
Should
Finish your work in time.
Yeah,
You
but
must finish the
why
work in
only
time.
Padmavati is answering? All the others are not answering.
You must finish your work in time.
Yeah, you must finish your work in time. Right.
You must finish
Enjoy
your work in
You
time.
should enjoy your work.
You must enjoy your work. You should. You have to.
You should, sir. You should enjoy your work.
You should.
You have.
Yeah, you should
Should.
enjoy your work. Not must. ఖచ్చితంగా ఎంజాయ్ చేయాల్సిందే అనే రూల్ ఎక్కడా లేదు నీ వర్క్. ప్లస్
Yes, sir.
నీకు ఇష్టం ఉన్నా లేకపోయినా యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఎంజాయ్ వర్క్ అనేది కూడా లేదు. ఎంజాయ్ వర్క్ని ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తే మంచిది అంతే. యూ షుడ్ ఎంజాయ్ యువర్ వర్క్. రైట్. And then fixing and cancelling appointments. Any doubt about obligations?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. You should not make any mistake. You must not make any mistake.
Okay, sir.
Obligation. This is what we learned so far. Now, what is an appointment? Tell me first, quickly.
Getting an appointment, getting a permission to meet someone.
Right. Okay. To fixing a certain time and a certain place to meet somebody, to speak. Right? Antena?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That is an appointment. And when and why do we fix an appointment? And when and why do we reschedule or cancel an appointment? Quickly.
When and
When
why,
and why we should fix an
when we have
appointment.
any problem or when we have to meet them for a compulsory necessary work, then we fix an appointment. When and why do we reschedule or cancel an appointment? Suppose if we have any problem to join to meet the person which we have took the appointment with him, then we have to reschedule it.
Okay, right. Very good. Now, come on, quickly go through the dialogue, because in similar manner you have to write some.
Receptionist, hello, Edo World, Hyderabad. Kiran Kumar. Good morning.
Good
I am
morning.
Kiran, a student of diploma in
Mechanical engineering.
Receptionist. Yes,
Yes,
how may
sir.
I help you? Kiran Kumar. I want an
I went an appointment with MD.
Receptionist.
Receptionist. May I know the reason, sir?
Kumar.
Kiran, I need to talk to him about the prospects of doing BTech in Russia. Receptionist, when do you like to meet him? Kiran Kumar, will you please fix an appointment at 5 p.m. tomorrow? Receptionist, okay, Mr. Kiran, I have noted it down in diary. You have an appointment tomorrow at 5 p.m. Kiran Kumar, thank you. Receptionist, you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Right, very good. అయితే ఇందులో మనం what are the things we have to observe? Though we are calling somebody to take an appointment, we directly should not talk about the appointment. We have some courtesy, say good morning, good afternoon, or thank you, you are welcome. Such expressions have to be used. You have to be very polite. Okay, good morning, how may I help you? I want an appointment. Can you please fix an appointment? Yeah, will you please fix an appointment at 5 p.m. tomorrow? Thank you, you're welcome. Such expressions are very important. Now, please go through this slide quickly.
Fixing an appointment in advance avoids both disappointments and
delays
since both the parties are prepared in advance. It is equally important to adhere to appointments.
It is
It is courtesy to inform the other party if for some reason you are unable to keep the appointment.
If you need to reschedule
an appointment to a later date, time you should do it in advance in a meeting. So as not to waste other people's time.
Yeah. So why we should take an appointment? Why should inform? Why? How we should reschedule and why? What is the necessity? Those are answers for those questions are given in this slide. Right now, where is that? Some more expressions. Come on, read quickly.
Expressions used to fix an appointment. How about meeting
How
on
about
the
meeting on 30th of August? Will you be free on 17th of this month? After the 3rd of June sounds, shall we say Monday?
Monday? Can I meet
Can I meet the senior engineer tomorrow? Would Friday be convenient for you? Could you please fix an appointment? I would like to meet the Vice Chancellor.
Read once again, please. You have to remember all these expressions.
How about meeting on 30th of August? Will you be free on 17th of this month? How does the 3rd of June sound? Shall we say Monday? Can I meet the senior engineer tomorrow? Would Friday be a convenient for you? Could you please fix an appointment? I would like to meet the Vice Chancellor.
Appointment, I would like to meet the Vice Chancellor.
Right, okay. Now, this. Yeah. For this, write a dialogue immediately, quickly. You want to take your mother to a doctor who is very busy. What will you do to ensure that you meet at the doctor on the you want? See, the answer is I take an appointment, but write a dialogue between you and the receptionist of a hospital, taking appointment for your mother with a cardiologist. Okay, cardiologist is a doctor who treats diseases of heart. Write a dialogue between you and the receptionist of a hospital, taking an appointment for your mother with a cardiologist. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
come on,
sir.
start writing. Start writing. First, write. Use all the expressions which we have seen just now. Not all, as many as possible. I want somebody who has not spoken so far to speak. Yes, Ashmita wants to speak. Ashmita has raised her hand. Ashmita, do you want to speak?
No, sir, it mistakenly.
Okay, doesn't matter. Yes, have written.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, who wants to speak? Who is that?
Sir, this is Harini. Can I, sir?
Yeah, Harini, speak.
Receptionist. Hello, ma'am. How can I help you? Me. Hello. I need an appointment. I need to fix an appointment to the cardiologist. Receptionist. Okay, ma'am. Sure. Can I know the reason, please? Me. Yes, sure. Recently my mother had a heart surgery, so there isn't a checkup. So I need an appointment. Receptionist. Sure, ma'am. You can meet the cardiologist, Mr. Kumar, at evening 3 p.m. Me. Okay,
Right.
thank you.
Right, very good. But how do you know without immediately after lifting the phone, you said, hello, ma'am. How do you know that the other person is a ma'am? First, you have to the receptionist has to introduce herself. Hello, good morning. This is Medicare Hospital, right?
Yes, sir.
The receptionist has to immediately introduce herself or himself. Hello, this is Medicare, or hello, this is Apollo, or hello, Yashoda Hospital. Like that, the one who lifts the phone first has to introduce himself or herself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, right. Very good. I hope all of you have done it. And next, do this one. Now, I want some other person to speak. I think this also we have already done. Fix an appointment with municipal commissioner at 4 p.m. to register a complaint about irregular supply of drinking water. See that the dialogue is between whom? Between you and?
Commissioner.
Will the municipal commissioner directly lift the phone and give you appointment?
PA, sir.
Yeah, PA, right.
Person.
Very good, PA. Now you know. You have to write a dialogue between the PA of municipal commissioner or you and you. Yes, completed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, who wants to speak now?
Jyoti.
Jyoti. Jyoti or who? Jyoti speak.
Jyoti. Me. Hello, good evening. I am Jyoti from Milpet, PA.
No,
Good
no,
evening.
no.
Good evening.
Just listen to me. You will not speak directly. First, you ring, you call. No phone just the municipal commissioner's office. Okay? You call municipal commissioner's office. Who is the first person to speak? The PA of municipal
PA.
commissioner will first lift the phone and speak. So the dialogue has to begin with that person. Whoever lifts the phone, with him or with her, the dialogue has to begin.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now just write one
PA.
dialogue. Yeah, PA.
Good evening. Hello, good evening. I am Jyoti from Meerpet. How can
Yeah.
I help you, ma'am?
Okay.
I want an appointment with the municipal commissioner. PA. May I know the reason, ma'am? I want to register a complaint about the irregular supply of drinking water in our area, sir. PA.
Right.
Okay, ma'am. How about meeting tomorrow? Okay, that's fine to me. Thank you. PA. Okay, ma'am, you are welcome.
Right. Very good. Now one more person. One more person quickly. Please.
Anusha, sir.
Yeah, who is speaking? Anusha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please speak.
PA. Hello, me. Hello, I am Anusha from Chitlamkunta.
No. Okay.
PA. How can I help you, ma'am? Me. I have appointment with municipal commissioner.
I want an appointment. I want an appointment.
PA. Okay, ma'am. May I know the reason? Me. To file a complaint about irregular supply of drinking water to the municipal commissioner. PA. When would you like to meet him and me? Will you please fix an appointment at 4 p.m. tomorrow? PA. Okay, ma'am. I have to note the diary and you can meet me.
Right.
Thank
Very,
you.
very
PA.
good.
Welcome.
Very good. Very good.
Sir,
But
Padmavati, can I say?
yeah, who?
Padmavati, sir.
Padmavati. Yeah. But let me just tell you one small thing. I hope you have also begun like that. Whoever lifts the phone, he has to introduce himself first. Hello, this is Municipal Commissioner's office. Okay, that is how you call Municipal Commissioner's office, and the PA of Municipal Commissioner will lift the phone and he will immediately say, hello, this is Municipal Commissioner's office. That is how it has to begin. Right, yeah. Padmavati.
PA. Hello, this is Municipal Commissioner Office. Me, I am Padmavati from LB Nagar. PA. Okay, how can I help you? Me, I want an appointment with Municipal Commissioner. PA. May I know the reason? Me, to complain about irregular supply of drinking water. PA. When would you like to meet him? Me, when will you please fix an appointment at 2 p.m. tomorrow? PA. Okay, Miss Padmavati, I have noted in the diary. You have an appointment with sir at tomorrow. Me, thank you, sir. PA. You're welcome.
Right, very good. Now this is how you have to follow, and I will give you, yeah, hope this will be not this one. Let us go to the next one. Yeah, rescheduling. Rescheduling. Shall I show you how it is rescheduled?
You have already said about this, sir.
Yeah, once again, just read this dialogue. Yeah, quickly read this dialogue.
Receptionist.
Receptionist. Hello, Jewel, Hyderabad. Kiran Kumar. Good evening. I'm
Good
Kiran.
evening.
I
I'm
have
Kiran.
an
I have an appointment with the MD at 5
MD at
p.m.
5
today.
p.m.
But I'm
today, but
sorry
I'm
to say
sorry
that
to say that
I
I
can't
can't
be
go
there
there
as I am not
as I
feeling
am not
well.
feeling well. Receptionist.
Receptionist,
Do you
do you
want me
want
to
to me to
reschedule the
reschedule the
appointment?
appointment, Kiran Kumar? Yes, I would like to
Like
reschedule
to
the
reschedule the
appointment.
appointment. Can I
Can
meet
I
the
meet MD
MD
at
at
10
10 a.m.
a.m.
on
on
Monday?
Monday? Receptionist,
Receptionist.
yes,
Yes,
you can meet the
you can meet
MD
the
at 10 a.m.
MD
on
at 10
Monday.
a.m. on Monday. Kiran Kumar.
Kiran
Thank
Kumar,
you.
thank you.
Receptionist,
Receptionist,
welcome.
welcome.
Right, now, in this similar manner, you have to request the receptionist in general hospital to reschedule the appointment you had with the surgeon for a minor surgery because you are going out of town. Please note this, then I will take you to the earlier slide. Request the receptionist at general hospital to reschedule the appointment you had with the surgeon for a minor surgery because you are going out of town. Surgery means operation. Surgeon means the one who operates on you. Have you noted down the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I will just show you the earlier. Yeah. No, just as a model. When you start writing, rescheduling the appointment with the surgeon.
Sir, I will say so, Yasmin.
Yeah, who is speaking?
Yasmin, sir.
Yeah, Yasmin, please.
Receptionist.
Yeah.
This is from General Hospital. And me. Hello. And
Yeah.
we have an appointment. We have fixed an appointment today. We have fixed an appointment today, but I am not feeling. But I am going out of this town. Receptionist.
Hmm.
Can I reschedule an appointment? Yes, you can reschedule an appointment tomorrow at 10 p.m. Okay, thank you. You are welcome.
Right, very good. Yasmin, good. Next, one more person. After this person, I think we will get disconnected and we shall meet tomorrow at 11:30. Yeah, Padmavati, come on.
I'm Anushka.
Who?
Receptionist. Hello, General Hospitals. Me, I am Padmavati. Good morning, I am Padmavati. Receptionist. How can I help you? Me. Actually, I have an appointment with surgeon for a minor surgery at tomorrow. Receptionist. Okay, sir. Me. I want to reschedule it. Receptionist. May I know the reason? Me. I am going out of town. So can you reschedule my appointment? Receptionist. When would you like to meet him? Me. I want an appointment on 7th April at 12 noon. Receptionist. Okay, ma'am. I have noted it down in diary. You have the appointment on 7th April. Me. Thank you, ma'am. Receptionist. You are welcome.
Right, very good. Very good, perfect. One more person.
Sir, Harini, sir.
Harini, please.
Receptionist. Hello, this is Apollo Medical Hospital, Secunderabad. Me.
Yeah.
Good morning. I am Harini. I have registered an appointment for a minor surgery, but due to some work, I am out of town. Receptionist. Okay, ma'am. May I reschedule your appointment? Me. Okay, thank you. Receptionist. When do you want to meet the surgeon? I want to meet the surgeon tomorrow at 10 a.m. Receptionist. Okay, thank you. I'll reschedule your appointment. Me. Thank you.
Right, very good. Very good. See, take a screenshot of this slide. Work at home. You must show them tomorrow. Have you taken screenshot?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, this one. One more. You cannot meet your teacher to discuss your final year project as we have to take your grandmother to hospital. Okay?